Here's how to import a package or a module on Google Colabs. So it's basically the same thing, but since there's no terminal, what you have to do is I wanna move it up here. And you just have to do pip with that exclamation point at the beginning. Install, and in my case, I need to install art. And then you run that so that it installs it. So now when I run this, as you can see, it was giving me the error that art was not installed. So now I believe, I don't know if it will give me an error from that. Maybe that one. Let's see. From art, import logos, art. So maybe I need to do. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go to. Let's try Bolt. I've been using Bolt, and it's a cool tool. So I'm gonna give it this code. I'm getting this error in Google Colabs. And here is the error that I'm getting. Run and let's see. But see, I don't know why I always default to React. It's quite annoying. Let me tell it. Oh, that's kind of cool actually. They created that. Because that is what I want to create. Although, oh man, I should have just left it. Hmm. Okay, so let's see. So it seems I don't even need this. I used to use Replit, but uh, they're trying to charge you for every little thing now. It doesn't seem worth it. So, alright, so let's see. What's the stock price? $20. How much is the dividend yield? So let's say it's one that gives annually. Which actually that's pretty good. So it gives you the annual profit if you invest 100,000 buy 5,000 shares of a $20 stock within I think this should have been percentage. But I mean, at least it's running here. So anyways, that's how you would install a package. Apparently I didn't need that one, so that's why it was giving me an error, but that's how you install a package in Google Colabs. And if you're wondering about how much money you're gonna get from your dividend yield, you can use this calculator as well.